Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, that is Waxcare. Friends, today I'm going to make cappuccino, and above that cappuccino I'm going to make a sip of art, which is available in any of your coffee shop. But today I'm going to make it at home and I will show you how to make it. So let's start the procedure. So to make cappuccino I need a cup of warm milk, some sugar, and this foam that has been used in dalgona, the same foam I'm using in cappuccino. And if you want to know how to make this foam, you can check out my previous video. I'm already sent the video how to make that dalgona foam, so you can check it from there. So in this cup of milk, now I'm going to add 3 spoons of sugar. If you want more sugar, you can add more sugar to it. Now add this coffee foam. 1, 2, and 3. I am adding 3 spoons of sugar and teaspoon of this foam. Now just mix it well in a circular manner. Just mix. You can see the foam is mixed with the milk, and if you want a strong cappuccino, with this you can add instant coffee powder if you want. If not, it's okay. Now you can see it is almost mixed with the milk. I need a strong coffee flavor, that's why I am adding 1 more teaspoon of coffee instant mix into it. It's optional. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, no need of adding. Mix it well. For it you have to take warm milk. If you are taking cold milk, it will not mix properly with the milk. You can see the coffee is very finely mixed with the milk. Now leave it for 1 minute. Now you can see the foam is set. To make design, we need a paper, and today I am giving a heart shape into the cappuccino. So I have done half of the heart shape in a paper. Now I am going to cut it down. Now with the help of a scissor, I am going to cut down. See, we got a heart shape. Now give this paper above the cup and bring some instant coffee powder. And just sprinkle it around the paper. Now see, I am removing out the paper. See, we got a beautiful heart over our cappuccino. See friends, how beautiful our coffee has been done with a love above the coffee. And if you want, you can give any other shape you can want. It's according to your wish. But the thing is that hold the paper very perfectly above the cup and sprinkle the coffee powder above it. So when you can make such a beautiful cappuccino at your home, then why to go outside in a cafeteria and have a cup of coffee? I'm just joking, you can go outside, but whenever there is an urgency, you can go outside. So by this way, you can make your cappuccino with a symbol of love or any other symbol you like. You can do above a cappuccino, but follow the same procedure whatever I done. But the shape, it is up to you what shape you want to do. Just do it in a paper and put it above the cappuccino cup and just sprinkle some coffee above it. Friends, how was my video? Hope you liked it. Just give a try at your home and enjoy a cup of cappuccino with your family or your friends. And friends, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it, give a big thumbs up and press the little bell icon that is on the right corner of your video. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.